Good, and the same thing on this side, right inside here. You're gonna feel this, just like that. And my assistant is just doing a video, so she's my daughter also.
Oh, nice.
We're straight ahead. This is Julie. This is Lisa.
Hi, Julie.
What COVID does is it literally cause, sometimes if you have it for a long time, it'll cause scar tissue inside there. Vaxxed or not vaxxed, it'll cause some scar tissue in your lungs and it'll restrict your breathing. And so you got to do something to be able to open that up. You know, so the breathing exercises I did were very, very helpful. Very, very helpful. So you're going to feel a little tap like that. Turn your head to the right. Right, just keep it there. Right, you feel just a gentle tap. And I want you to keep turning to the right a little bit more. It's gonna, there we go. Just trying to go a little bit further. Good, just like that. Just like that. Good, look straight ahead now. If you hear my stomach move, it's because I'm hungry. It's been going for the past half hour.
You might hear mine too.
Oh, it's like he wants a Cuban sandwich or something, I'm not sure. You know? It's the Cuban sandwich scream, you know? Okay. You know, about 2 years ago, turn your head to the left now. About 2 years ago, when COVID kind of hit, I was living in the Galaxy, and which was, you know where that is, right down the block, yeah?
Yes.
And it was, and what I did was, they were putting everybody on lockdown, and what we did is, we moved out one night to Pennsylvania, to the Poconos. We just got up and left. Look straight ahead.
Did you have a place in the Poconos?
I did,
Oh, okay.
yeah. No, we've been camping out since.
You didn't come back?
No, I never came back. Good. So what's nice about the Poconos is it rarely gets over 85 degrees in the summertime.
Oh, that's good.
But the winter time, it's always brutal.
A lot of
Yeah.
snow.
Oh
right?
my goodness, yeah. Good. Straight ahead and just relax, nice and easy. Good.
So did you get rid of your place at the Galaxy?
I did.
Oh, you did?
Let me take your arm. Pull in just a little bit. You might hear a little click inside your shoulders, just like that. Let's take the other side, same thing. And just let it relax, just like this. A little bit more. Good. Just relax your arms, let it drop. Nice and easy. Good. That's how locked up your shoulders are. And just relax here. Yeah, it was a drastic move, but it was definitely worth it. And as this whole area was getting completely going on lockdown, and just relax. Good, and relax. There we go. Just like that. Like that. Excellent. So we're going to do a little twist on your elbow, or on the floor, whatever floats your boat. So put your arm here, and the other one comes underneath. We're going to do a little twist inside here, just like that. Just to get a little movement out of your spine. Let's see where you're most tight. Right in the mid-back. So I want you to breathe in really deep. And breathe out and rotate to the left. Turn your head to the left and relax. Just like that. That's what we're going to do. We're going to rotate this way. Just relax a second. Let's just see. We're going to go right in here. Breathe in again really deep. All the way out. Just rotate to the right. Just relax. Just like that. Excellent. Okay, relax your arms for a second. We're going to do one more thing. So now, you're actually going to slide back a little bit.
Sure.
Just slide your butt back a little bit more, right? There, that's cool. And now, what we're going to do is we're going to cross your arms one more time, just like this. And this time, your head's going to come down a little bit. I'm going to ask you to, I'll say breathe in, and then I'll say breathe out. When you breathe out, I'm going to lean you back. Keep your head tucked in, okay? Breathe in really deep. Breathe out. Relax your shoulders a little bit. Good. Come back up here. That's perfect. Did you feel that?
Yeah, that was
Good.
nice.
Good. All right, let's come and lay face down on the table now.
Sure.
Yeah, we
If
don't.
you're alone in a car, why are you going to wear a mask?
Yeah, we don't get that out in Pennsylvania.
No.
No. That's
I
just
wouldn't
here.
think so. Also because your neighbors are far apart there.
Yeah, yeah. A lot more fresh air.
Yeah, yeah.
Absolutely. I think there's a general rule with the people that live out there. If you drive a pickup truck, you can't wear a mask while you're driving.
Or if you carry a gun.
Or if you carry a gun. That's exactly right. Right. Right? Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. And just relax here for a second. Right hip is a little twisted, like I said before. We're going to do a little tap on your lower back. You're going to feel a little tap like that. It's not going to hurt. It's going to be very light. I just want to loosen up this joint inside here. All right? You okay?
Oh, yeah.
Good, good. Good. Can you do me a favor? Can you just raise this leg a little bit straight up?
Mm-hmm.
Just bring it straight up and right back down. Cool. There we go. Awesome. Much better. So you're going to feel a little bit of tapping in here. It's not going to hurt. Good. Good. It's like I'm sculpting. Alright. It's going to drop like that. It's not going to hurt. And relax a little bit. Good. One more time. Good. And the other side as well. And again. Good. I just want you to breathe in for me very deep if you can. Please breathe all the way out. Just let it go. Good. And again, in real deep. And all the way out. Let it go. One more. Good. Very good. Excellent. Okay, so I'm going to just gently lean your head to the side. I just want you to just relax, focus on your breathing. Nice and easy. Just going to feel a little stretch inside here. And just relax a little more. A little right inside there. Just relax. That's it.
Oh,
Come back here. Yep.
I love that sound.
Yep. We're going right to the top. Right to the top. Good. Same thing here. Just relax nice and easy. And just let it go. A little bit more. Relax your shoulders a little more. Good. No? Good. Come back here. Excellent. Good. Excellent day. All right. Just bend this leg. Nice and easy. I'm going to bring you a little closer. That was your stomach.
See? I'm hungry too.
Let your hips roll forward a little bit. Just relax your shoulders. Good. Now just relax inside here. I'm going to bring you forward in here. You won't fall. Don't worry. Just like that. Awesome. Let's go on your other side, please. Mm-hmm. Like this. Hands right here. Let me bring your shoulder just like that. Awesome. Bend this like this. Nice and easy. Good. I'm going to bring it a little bit closer. Cool. Let your hips just kind of roll forward just a little bit more. Good, just like that. Breathing really deep, all the way out, and just relaxing a little more. Good, good. Come lay right on your back, and bend your knees, please, if you don't mind. Just like that. And what I want you to do is open it up a little bit, squeeze your knees together hard. Good. Separate. Did you feel that? Good. Relax your leg. Just going to bend this. Let it drop down to the side, like this, like a figure four. Just want to stretch out the hip joint. Good. Nice, good. Any pain at all?
No.
Good. Same thing here, figure four right inside there. Just like that. No problem?
No.
Good. Good. Okay, and just relax. Just going to adjust your ankle joint a little bit. You're going to feel a little pull in your ankle. It's not going to hurt. Hopefully I won't take your shoes off. Good. A little bit more. Just relax. Good. Good. Same thing here. I was wondering why you look so tall standing next to me.
It's the shoes.
My goodness. I was like, did she grow an inch or two? What's going on here? Good. And just relaxing you. Good. Just like that. Slide you back up. Awesome. I was like, am I getting short?
It's the
No?
shoes today.
All right. How are you doing so far, right?
Very good, thank you.
Good, good. Excellent. And I think you're in a good spot. Lift up your head. Come right back down. Nice. It's 91 today.
It's hot out.
Right,
It's very
yeah.
humid too.
Oh yeah, the air doesn't move. Okay.
It's supposed to rain later.
I hope it does. I hope
Yeah.
it does. It rained last week. We had like a flash flood last week. It was
Oh, it
crazy.
flooded my house actually.
It did?
Well, I have a sump pump, thankfully.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, the whole outside there was water up to my stairs.
Oh wow. Yeah, when we get flash floods like that, water comes in here also. It's a little crazy. A little crazy. Any pain or discomfort with this?
No.
No? Good. Just trying to traction you a little bit. Good. And just relax. That's the first adjustment right in there. I just want to get this focus on your breathing. Nice and easy. Just focus on the breathing. Turn it a little bit. Good. Just let that relax. Good. And go a little bit deeper inside. You just want to stretch the muscle. Let it go. A little bit more. Just want to take it all the way to the end inside there. You not even just kind of pop on its own. Come back here. Yep. Take it. Okay.
Excellent.
Good. Here we do one more. Save the best for last. Right inside there. A couple of vertebrae inside here, just a
Yeah,
little
right
locked
there.
up. Okay, again, just focus on the breathing, nice and easy. And we'll just see if we can just gently relax. Just focus on the breath, nice and deep. Now stretch inside here a little bit. Try to open that up. Hopefully that'll just kind of move on its own. A little bit more. Good. Come back here. What I want you to do is I want you to breathe in very deep for me. All the way out. Good. We do it one more time. Breathe in. All the way out. Just like always. Just like that. You feel a little pull. Just like that. Good. Should have felt that down your spine a little bit.
I did, yeah.
Good. Just going to hold this for a second. This is the base of the skull. A lot of times you build up a lot of pressure inside here. And because there's a lot of nerves inside here, it can kind of spark a migraine headache sometimes.
I can feel it in my head.
And just relax easy. Bothers you more on the left or on
Yeah.
the right?
On the left.
Yeah, you can feel that. Mm-hmm. Just gonna go a little bit higher. You okay?
Yeah, that's good.
Good. Just breathe easy. Don't hold your breath. Relax easy. And one last time. Good. It's been a while since I adjusted this neck.
It's been,
You
it's
know?
been a while.
Yeah.
It missed you.
Mm-hmm. Let me just check your jaw. Just open it slowly. Close. One more time, open. And close. I'm going to do a little adjustment here. You're going to feel something very, very light. Feel like nothing.
Probably.
I don't like surprises, so might as well tell you. So I just want you to relax your jaw, nice and easy. Just going to gently stretch your jaw this way. You feel a little bit of a tap inside here. Good, one more time, and again. Good, good. Just relax nice and easy. Open your jaw again, and close. Good. I turn you this way a little bit. Same thing here. You feel a little tap inside there. Just relax your jaw nice and easy. Good, and gently put a stretch inside here. You feel it right by the ear. One more. Good. Good. Open your jaw and close. Good. Much better. Jason Tirado. If you're new to the channel, then just click below and you can subscribe and you'll get new videos sent to your email box every single week. If you like these videos, please support my channel. I really appreciate those people that support me through things like PayPal and Patreon and also sponsoring individual videos. You know what? I really couldn't make these videos without you guys, so I thank you so much. So I'll talk to you soon. I'll check you out next week.